In this video, I'll guide you through how to increase video quality on Filmora. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, add the video on Filmora timeline. Then click on this video tab and select AI Tools. Now scroll down. After comes the video enhancer section, you need to click on Generate button. Now you need to wait for a few seconds to complete this process. Then you will see the quality of your video is increased. Now click on Effect tab and search for Luma Sharp. And drag the effect into your video. Now go to the effect section and increase the intensity. Now click on this color section and scroll down to the adjust. Now again increase the sharpen. Now scroll to the top. From the light section, you need to decrease some exposure. Also decrease some brightness. Decrease some contrast, highlights and shadow. Then you will find your video quality is increased. By following this tutorial, you can easily increase video quality on Filmora.